What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ashling here. I am going to be doing a get ready with me today video, and I'm going to be using nothing new in this video. So all like old makeup products or makeup products that I just haven't used in ages. I thought it'd be fun. Don't forget, if you're not already, then you can follow me here on Instagram or Twitter and Facebook. And I would love you guys to come and join my social media, especially Instagram, because I'm trying to get more into Instagram and actually communicating with you guys there, because I feel like that's like the best place to communicate with you. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Pretty Little Thing, and I just want to say a huge thank you to Pretty Little Thing. Every single time I work with them, I'm like, oh my god, they're just the best. They're actually a lovely company to work with, and I'm very selective with my sponsorships, and I obviously will only work with the best of the best. So obviously I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, putting on makeup, but I'm also going to be showing you my outfit because the weather here in Ireland is so warm right now, like super warm, and I just keep my fingers crossed that it lasts. So I'm wearing like this little top from Pretty Little Thing, which I will show you later on. It's like a bodice kind of lacy top. It's really, really cute, and I'll show you exactly what I'm going to pair with this as we go on. But right now I think we should get into the makeup portion, and we'll show the outfit later on. So this is like the longest intro ever. Sorry about that, guys, but let's get makeup on my face. I'll start by putting cat ears in, because every single time I do my makeup I forget to push my hair back, and it's just not cute when there's like hair in your face. So I'm going to start off by priming my face, and the primer I'm taking today is the Ella Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Primer. I love this primer. I completely forgot about it, and I was going through all like my old makeup, and I was like, not old makeup, but like makeup that I've had for a while, and been like, why haven't I used that in ages? Probably because I haven't used primer in ages. But I really like the way that this smooths out my pores. It's like a silicone based primer, and it just makes my skin look like really smooth and evens out my pores. I already filled in my eyebrows because you guys know my eyebrow routine at this stage. It hasn't been different for like the last maybe 5 months, 4 months. So why bore you with that yet again? So I think I'm significantly primed now. I'm going to go on to foundation, and I'm going to take the Hello Happy foundation from Benefit. I love this foundation because it's really liquidy, but yet it gives you really good coverage, and I find this perfect for this time of the year. I'm going to say that we're in summer. I know it's technically not officially the beginning of summer, but I'm going to say summer. So this is a great foundation for summer, especially if you have oily skin, because I just feel like it's really lightweight and it stays on my skin, and I haven't worn this in a while. So I think I'm going to take shade number 6 because I'm pretty dark at the moment. I'm wearing a lot of self-tan. Yeah, I tried a new self-tanner and it's really, really dark, and I quite like it. I will talk to you more about it maybe in my monthly favorites, just to kind of see how it wears, because you know how reluctant I am when I try new tans. Where's my mirror? I'm always a bit afraid because of my eczema that the tan will like break me out. So I will keep you updated, and if I do still like it, you will be hearing about it in my May hits and misses. And again, I think because this foundation's so liquidy, I often think like, oh, it's like really light coverage, it's not gonna like give me great coverage, but it actually covers my skin really well and gives me full coverage. I hope you guys are keeping well. What have you been all up to? Fill me in on your life and what's new and what's exciting and what's going on. Has anyone booked any summer holidays or vacation if you are in the US? Because I absolutely can't wait to get away this summer. But if the weather's nice in Ireland, I'll probably stick around till maybe September and then go off on holidays somewhere nice and tropical and warm, and drink cocktails by the pool and just live your best life. I think that's sufficiently spread over my face, so I'm just going to blend it in with my beauty blender. My beauty blender is filthy, and I washed it this morning. It's really, really stained. I just love how natural this foundation looks on my skin. Like, it honestly looks like my skin, only better. And I'm glad that the summer is back around, that I can wear this again, because I just felt like in the winter you kind of go a little bit more full coverage, and I feel like in the summer you want like something a little bit more light wearing, yeah, that's the word, and that it kind of like looks like your skin only better, and you're like, yeah, I'm just like sun-kissed and my skin is so naturally even. Ha! So I'm gonna move on to my eyeballs next, and I'm gonna take my Jaclyn Hill palette because I haven't used this in a while in a video. Sorry that it's so grubby and messy. It's just white. And I think I'm gonna take this shade here, which I use as my transition all the time, and put that through my crease. So I'm just going to take the JH32 brush from Jaclyn Hill, and we're going to go in with this shade here. I just don't use primers anymore on my eyelid. I kind of get back into them and then I lose interest in them. I just don't really feel like they do a whole lot for me. I think my eyelids are probably the only part of my face that's not oily. Eyeshadow just seems to stay there, which is great. I'll zoom in for you guys in a mere moment, but I'm not really doing anything very interesting at the moment, just crease work. So I'm going to go in with the shade right underneath it. Sorry, I don't know the names of any of these because I have like the original palette, like really old, and I lost the little card that came in it, so it was prior to having the names on the back, so I have no idea what the names are. Okay, so next up I'm gonna go in with this deep brown down here, and I'm going to pop that into my outer corner of my eye. Just blend it up through the crease as well, but keeping it kind of mostly on the outer corner. And again, never worry about the outer corner with me. I always get really messy out here, but then I just clean it up with concealer afterwards. And now I'm going to go in with this reddy brown shade here, and I'm going to put that right beside that first brown. So I'm going to take the Stila Glitter and Glow in Kitten, and I'm going to put that onto my eyelid now. I'm going to blend that out with a brush as well, so there's no harsh lines. I'm just going to go in with this shade here, and I'm just going to pop that into my inner corner of my eye and kind of underneath my brow bone to highlight. Okay, so I'm just going to add some liquid ink liner from Essence, my favorite, and I'm just going to obviously line. Oh, I need a new one of these, I think. The brush is not great at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm taking the Mascara Revolution from Makeup Revolution. I haven't used this mascara in a little while. I can't actually remember if I like it or not. I think the wand was just a bit big for me. My little stumpy lashes. You know what? I actually do like that mascara. I don't think I like it for my bottom lashes because it's a bit harder to use. I'm going to apply these House of lashes. These are the Smoky Muse. I've used these before. They're just really fluffy and flowy. It's not a dress actually, but they're real fluffy and full, and I just quite like them. Okay, so I'm going to bronze my face. I'm going to take the shade Beautiful Bronze from LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that along my contours of my face, just a teeny bit, because this is pretty potent. I'm just going to take a little bit and just put it there, like the tiniest amount, because like I said, this is pretty potent. I actually need to do an updated cream contouring video. I haven't done one of them in ages. And my like everyday foundation routine, like my drugstore one, my high-end one, I need to do them videos as well. And any other videos that you guys want to see, like, let me know. See, look, I put way too much on my forehead. You just have to be careful with this product. I'm gonna take this brush instead and just blend it in with that, because that might work a bit better. Yeah, that is working way better. And now I'm going to apply the LA Girl shade in Creamy Beige underneath my eyes. Haven't used this in so long. It's one of my favourite concealers from the drugstore. Like, I just think that this concealer is epic. I'm going to set underneath my eyes with my light powder from MAC. I'm just going to take this on a Real Techniques brush and just pat that underneath my eyes. It's just going to set them and brighten them up as well. I don't even think that concealer really brightened, it just conceals, or maybe it did brighten, I don't know. I can't see this far away. I don't have my glasses on and the viewfinder is so far away. I'm going to take this Too Faced loose powder and I'm just going to set my entire face with that because I used the cream bronzer. Some of that went up my nose. Ugh. Right, I'm going to finish off underneath the eyes and I'm going to take, I think, this brown shade here. Oh man, alive. No, I just stuck my fingers. Let's move on. I stuck my nail into one of the shades. I'm going to take this brown shade again that I use on the outer corner and I'm just going to place it on the outer corner of my lower lashes. And then I'm going to take, I think, this warm brown here and I'm just going to place that on the inner portion of my eye, on my lower lashes. I'm going to take my favourite liner in the entire world. This is Teddy liner from MAC. I absolutely adore this on my waterline. Because I just think black is too harsh. Sometimes if you're doing a sultry eye, I don't think nude like cuts the mustard. So I always think brown is like perfect. And Teddy from MAC is just the best liner ever. I'm going to take my roller mascara and just apply that onto my lower lashes because it's a like smaller brush. And I think if I use that Makeup Revolution one, I'll have mascara everywhere. Even though I usually get mascara everywhere. Oh, and I forgot to bake underneath my eyes. Is it too late? I'm just going to do it anyway. Taking my Makeup Revolution lace powder, which is like my favourite powder ever. Oh my god, it's everywhere. Oh god. I'm just going to take this on a little triangle sponge and pop that underneath my lower lashes. This is just going to brighten up underneath my lower lashes, just my under eye area. I was like, what am I trying to say? I'm just going to pop this on my under eye area. And maybe a bit here. Just a little bit. Leave that to sit for like 2 seconds and then just going to clean it all away. I'm going to take my new favourite bronzing brush and the Vivid Baked Bronzer from Makeup Revolution in Rock On World. Love this bronzer. I'm just going to go over that cream bronzer that I put down earlier just to bring it back up to life. I don't want to put too much on. The other day I was like using the new Hoola bronzer in caramel and I just applied way too much of that. It's so potent, so just be careful when you're applying that bronzer if you're using it in the future. It's a really great bronzer, but just, oh my god. For blush, I'm going to take Tarte Captivating. I love this blush. I haven't used this in a video actually in a while. Well, I don't think I have actually. Have I? Just throw it away there. And to highlight, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution I Love Soap palette. I love this to highlight. I like mix about a bazillion shades together. I kind of mix like all of these four. Okay, to line my lips, I'm going to take NYX's Mauve lip liner. This is like one of my favourite lip liners ever. I just love the shade of it. Okay, now I need to apply a lipstick. Maybe I'll go with this Kate Moss one. This is 03. I don't even know. I haven't worn this in ages. That's nice actually. My makeup is very like, I'm going out on a night out and I'm actually not. I didn't intend for it to be that extra. I'm actually just going out for the day and I look really extra. Oh well, always better to be overdressed than underdressed, I always say. So I'm just going to go back over that lip liner. Okay, so it's outfit time. Let's get dressed. So I'm going to show you what I'm wearing first, obviously. I'm going to wear this little top that you've seen already, which is kind of like a lacy bodice. It's quite cute. And this is actually called the White Underwire Cage Detail Lace Bodysuit. And I got a size small. This bodysuit has underwire in it, which is great. So it kind of like supports your boobs. And it is not like see-through. Well, I don't think it's see-through. I'm wearing a top over it. So if it's see-through, nobody's going to see anything. Anyway, so the top that I'm going to wear over this is this little beautiful tie top. and I can't wait to try this on. I haven't tried any of these clothes on. I just like picked them out and I was like, that's my outfit today. So this is what the top looks like. Very, very cute, and it ties at the front. So I just thought that like the lace bodice underneath would be nice. And then with this over it, you're going to get like a little bit of warmth from it. Not much because it's warm weather out. Like it's like 18 degrees today, so it's not that cold. But also it kind of like covers up the lace bodice a little bit. This is the yellow floral cuff detail tie front blouse, and I got mine in a size 6. And then I'm also going to wear some shorts because it's short weather. So these are what my shorts look like. These are like ripped shorts. Obviously you can see that they're quite ripped. I can't wait to wear these even on holidays and stuff. These are called the Genie Mid-Wash Extreme Ripped, and they're in a size 6, and that's what they look like. They're so nice, and that's what the back of them looks like. I will be trying all this on, obviously. And I'm going to pair it with like a little denim jacket because I just thought like if it gets too cold, you know, you have your jacket. Obviously denim on denim is not like a look that I go for, but white denim on blue denim I think is quite cute. This is called the cropped white denim jacket, and it's in a size 8. I actually don't know what is going on outside, but it sounds like my neighbours are like drilling holes in walls. Anyway, I'm wearing these runners as well because I just thought that chunky runners are just so cute. Like they're such a vibe at the moment. I will link down all the clothes that I'm wearing in today's video, including the shoes. I got these in a size 4 and I've tried them on and they're so comfortable. I haven't worn them out and about obviously, but I just tried them on and I'm just so excited to wear them all day. So that is my outfit today. I'm just gonna go get ready and then I'll show you the outfit in full. Okay, so this is my outfit. I hope you guys can hear me because I'm really far away from the mic. So the little yellow crop top which you tie in the front. I think it's so cute, and there's like little bits of blue in it as well, so it kind of ties in with my blue jean shorts. And then my little obviously lacy top, which I actually am going to the Spice Girls next week. And I'm even considering wearing this to the Spice Girls as well because it's quite comfortable. It's really, really, really comfortable. These shorts are super comfortable and they're kind of like stretchy as well. So there's a bit of give in them in the waist, and they're high waist and they just fit really nice. So I'll just show you what the back of this outfit looks like. That's what my shorts look like from the back, and then the top and stuff. So you can see what it looks like. I really like this outfit, and I think that the runners, which you can probably see, hang on, I'll try and lift up my leg. My runners are super comfortable as well. I just really like the look of this. I obviously have my white denim jacket as well if I do get a bit chilly. You can throw on your white denim jacket and wear it like off the shoulder, or like that's the way I generally wear my jackets, but it actually fits me really, really, really well. Like it fits quite snug, and I think if I went any smaller it wouldn't be as nice on. That's what the jacket looks like. Obviously you can like button it up, have it open, have it off the shoulder, carry it in your arm, whatever you want to do with it. Knowing me, it'll probably be in the wash more than I wear it because it's white. I'll have like makeup everywhere, all over it. Okay guys, I'm done and dusted. I'm gonna go off and enjoy the nice weather now and go for some ice cream, I think, because I'm really feeling like some ice cream. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much to Pretty Little Thing for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, hit the bell. A lot of things to have to do here. You don't have to do any of that, but just if you want to, you're more than welcome to join my little fam here. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to all you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.